now 8
Might
p.m.
not be on the TV.
At 7:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Spring Valley or near Peru, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hennepin, Spring Valley, Depew, Granville, Ladd, Dalzell, McNabb, Mark, Cherry, Seatonville, Standard, Spring Valley Airport, Outfield, and Floyd. This includes Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile marker 67 and 72.